What's up YouTube, it's Alex Combow here, owner, CEO, and graphic designer of Snowbound Apothecary. Today is the 4th of July when I'm recording this. So that means that the day that you guys are getting this is going to be the day after 4th of July. So you guys got a 4-day week, but since you already had one day off, Thursday is going to feel like Friday, and Friday is just going to drag on. So this video is going to give you 7 points to get you guys pumped, to make it to the weekend, to spend that time, and really just hunker down and focus on your own business. Or if you are already working for your own business, it'll give you time to just rest and relax. So with that being said, without further ado, let's go ahead and get this video a-rolling. My first point for you guys today is you owe it to yourselves to be your own boss. You shouldn't have to answer to anybody but yourself. This should be the goal. Big business isn't gonna be around forever. Man, if you got a business, take that business and take it to the next level. You owe it to yourself. That's the first bullet on this. The second point on this is be a boss at being your own boss. And that goes with the next point. Point number 2. Be a force to be reckoned with. When you walk into a room, be a friggin' hurricane. Be a wave of energy that people see and they either fear or they're glad it's on their side. That's who you want to be. You want to walk into a room and be like, wow, you don't want to mess with his business, you don't want to mess with her business. They are serious about what they do. That's who you want to be. Push hard to be this type of person. Evolve the energy that you have into new levels. And take this energy to push you into success. Point number 3, charge into action. Be the first person there. Be the first person on the front lines. When people see you on the front lines, they're gonna think, wow, that could have been me. I could have already been here. I could have been on the front lines, but you were already there. You showed the initiative to push yourself and get you going. Be this way with business, be this way with working at other jobs, be this way with everything, and you will find yourself getting into more opportunities in life and noticing the opportunities that are already coming up because you were there and you were waiting for the opportunity to arise. Point number 4, make sure you rest so you can swing harder next time. Take the breaks that you need to take. If you need to sit down with the family and watch a movie, sit down with the family and watch a movie. Don't work until you just can't, until you wither away. Don't do that, because then the work that you put out, your output, is gonna be so much worse than it would be if you were to take breaks. And I'm not saying this doesn't mean that you don't hustle. You hustle, but you take a break to make sure that your hustle is the best that it can be. Spend time with your family. Watch a movie. Play a little video games. Do what you can do when you have time. And if you don't have any time at all, stop and reassess and say, this is what I need to do. I need to make time for myself. Point number 5, be proactive, not reactive. The million, the billion, the $100,000 businesses, all of these businesses, they get where they are by being proactive and not reactive. They have a business plan in place that says that this could happen. They have advisors, they have friends, they have COOs, they have several different people that are there to tell them, hey, this could possibly happen. And when they know that it's a possibility that it could happen, they're not surprised when it does happen, because they listen to the people around them. Listen to the people around you because they have a different perspective than you do. You don't have to 100% listen to what they say, but listen to what they say to a point where if they're warning you about something, you are prepared for what could happen. Point number 6, create new relationships every day. This is whether you are an introvert or an extrovert. You want to go out there and look for people to create relationships, partners, advisors, friends, people that will be running mates that'll push you along. Find these people, create relationships, and there is no excuse as to why you can't find these people. You know what we have these days? We have phones, we have the internet. You can find people anywhere now. There are apps for this, several apps. Point number 7, you are the number 1 resource that you have. So that means that you need to take care of yourself, your psyche, your spiritual side, your mental side, your physical side. Take care of yourself, because The thing that's going to push you more is going to be you. That's what's going to push you more than anything else. Your family is the number 2 resource you have. So make sure that you take care of your family along the way. I personally think that your family and you are together. You are one. So that means that you need to take care of yourself and your family as the number 1 priority. Make sure everybody is doing well. Make sure that you show them that you love them and that you spend time with them. That's all I got for you guys today. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you guys on Monday. Please like, please comment, please subscribe. Thank you guys. Bye.